Welcome to Folktale and Myth. First, what is a folktale? Well, folktale and fairy tale are often related orally as stories. They can be related to rituals like myth. Like myth, they foster psychological growth and development. And like myth, they are a teaching tool for social expectations. Folklorists have often classified fairy tales according to the plot elements they contain. These elements are often called themes or motifs. Thomson categorized these motifs into 26 major headings and used them to describe essential parts of the story. Propp took it further to evaluate which elements take priority when forming a family. Grimes then reduces Propp's 31 functions to a pattern he calls the quest. For the purpose of this exploration, we shall be focusing on Propp. The text suggests that removing the more violent aspects of the fairy tale is removing a part of the reader's internal strife. Since these aspects of the story are supposed to be metaphorical, it can be very difficult to get the full picture of story if some aspects are removed. Also, the text references Cupid and Psyche as following both a mythical and folkloric structure. It's not a wonder that the text includes structuralism and Proppian analysis together. Both men were interested in using opposites to explain things, which, as we've already discussed, happens regularly in textual analysis and mythological study. That said, while Propp is very thorough at identifying different components of various folkloric stories, I feel that a true Proppian analysis could border on being overkill for an introductory class such as this. That said, we'll still review it. Please read it in your text. In the case of the text, it is a very brief introduction to his methodology. Review of it would be prudent, but we will not be going through the full deconstructive effort of a Proppian analysis. That said, you will be asked to evaluate one of the texts we are unable to go in-depth reviewing, so I encourage you to consider Propp's analysis method as part of your exploration for your final paper.